In order to add and subtract radicals, you must first simplify all the radicals before you can add or subtract them. So 5 radical 18, when we simplify it, we'll break up the 18 to be 3 times 3 times 2. 3 radical 2 is already simplified, so we will just rewrite it. 3 root 27 breaks up into 3 times 3 times 3 under the radical, and minus 6 root 32 becomes 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This radical simplifies to 15 radical 2. 3 radical 2 is already simplified. 3, the 3's, 1 3 can break out of that, which ends up being 3 times 3 radical 3. And out of this radical, we'll bring 2 2's. 6 times 2 times 2 radical 2. When we simplify everything, we have 15 radical 2 plus 3 radical 2 plus 9 radical 3 minus 24 radical 2. Now that each radical is simplified, we look for the radicals that are alike. 15 radical 2, 3 radical 2, and negative 24 radical 2 all contain a radical 2. We can add like radicals together by adding the coefficients. 9 radical 3 is not alike, so it will be added at the end. We take the coefficients 15 plus 3 minus 24 radical 2 plus the 9 radical 3. When we add 15, 3, and negative 24, we get negative 6 radical 2 plus, since there's nothing to add with 9 radical 3, it just goes along for the ride. Our final answer is negative 6 radical 2 plus 9 radical 3.